Welcome to Car Showcase. Here we introduced a 2025 Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut. Explain all its features. Before starting, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. The 2025 Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut is a hypercar that redefines speed and innovation. Its sleek and aerodynamic design is built with advanced materials like carbon fiber and aluminum, making it incredibly lightweight and strong. The car's body is designed to reduce air resistance, with a drag coefficient of just 0.38 cd. With a top speed of 330 miles per hour, the Jesko Absolut is one of the fastest production cars in the world. Its advanced fuel injection system and efficient engine design allow for an impressive 24 miles per gallon, making it a great choice for long road trips. The fuel capacity is 22.5 gallons, so you can drive for hours without needing to refuel. The Jesko Absolut's dimensions are equally impressive, with a length of 177.2 inches, width of 79.3 inches, and height of 44.7 inches. Its wheelbase is 105.5 inches, providing a smooth and stable ride even at high speeds. Under the hood, the Jesko Absolut packs a powerful 5.0-liter V8 engine, producing an incredible 1,280 horsepower and 1,011 torque. This beast can go from 0–60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds, making it one of the quickest cars on the market. The engine is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, providing lightning-fast shifting and precise control. The color quality is exceptional, with a range of vibrant colors to choose from, including a stunning metallic silver that shines like diamonds in the sunlight. The 2025 Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut starts at $2.8 million, making it an exclusive and luxurious option for those who want the best of the best. With its impressive features, speed, and color quality, this car is a must-see for any car enthusiast. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just looking for a thrill ride, the Jesko Absolut is sure to impress. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews and comparisons.